Class 5 Science Chapter number 8 Sound and Noise Part 2. Good morning children. In our last video we had learned about how sound is produced and about the sound produced by different objects around us. We had also learned about the sound produced by living things. We had learned about the pleasant and unpleasant sound. We have seen different examples of pleasant sound and unpleasant sound. Today in this video, you will learn about the warning sounds, noise pollution, causes of noise pollution, harmful effects of noise pollution, and ways to reduce noise pollution. These are the topics which we are going to see in this video. Now we'll start with warning sounds. Sound help us to learn about our surroundings. Loud sound usually make us uncomfortable, but we need loud sounds in certain situations to alert people and save them. Such sounds are called warning sounds. Certain sounds which warn people about their emergency or about any danger, they are as follows. First, a fire alarm. Fire alarms are fixed in buildings, especially in schools, offices, malls, cinema halls, and hospitals. It makes loud sound in case of fire. It warns people to go out and save themselves. Remember, in our school also, we used to do mock fire alarm test. In that, our peon uncle ring the school bell continuously and we all have to leave our work and in a line without pushing anybody. Under teacher's guidance, you have to vacate the school building from the allotted gate. I hope you all remember it. Continuous ringing bell indicates that there is something wrong and it is telling us about the emergency and we have to vacate the building, otherwise we may trap in danger. Like that, a fire alarm warns us about danger and we have to go out to save ourselves after hearing the fire alarm. The sound of a fire alarm warns us that there may be fire or smoke around and tell us that we should take safety measures. Second is fire engine. The sound of fire engine tell us that we should give way to it so that the fire can be controlled and trapped people in the fire can be saved as earliest. People should understand the emergency and whenever they see the fire engine passing from somewhere with siren, they should give them a way. It is not the responsibility of the firefighter, but it is our responsibility as well to be a good citizen and give them a way so that they can reach to the place as earliest and save the people who are trapped inside the building or in the fire. Third is ambulance. An ambulance also has a siren which makes loud sound indicating other vehicles to give the way to it. This helps ambulance to take the patient to the hospital as soon as possible. Sometimes people do not give them a way in traffic, which is a very bad gesture. A patient can also be died in this or his condition may also worsen. So, keeping all these things in our mind, we must give way to the ambulance whenever it makes loud sound of siren. How would you feel if we fell ill and the same happened to us? So, we must help them by understanding the situation, the emergency, and we must give them a way. Next is police vehicle. Similarly, a police vehicle uses loud siren warn people to make the way for it so that police can reach the place of emergency soon. Sirens are generally provided to emergency vehicles. Sirens of different emergency vehicle have different sounds. So, till now we have seen about the different emergency vehicles and we have understood why they make loud sound and which is very necessary to save the life of people. Now, noise. We know that sound are loud and unpleasant to the ear are called noise. When noise becomes so excessive that it causes disturbance to the health of living beings, it is called noise pollution. It is harmful not only for the human beings but also for the animals. Your parent asks you to keep the volume of the television or the music low. What do you think is the reason behind this? Reason is as it is unpleasant sound and thus create noise and can cause physical and mental issue. So because of noise pollution, unpleasant sounds they create noise and they can cause physical and mental health issues. Reasons for this are many. Let's see one by one the different reasons of noise pollution. Machines in the factories. The machines in the factories and industries makes a lot of noise. It disturbs the people and animals living in the nearby area. In your area also many factories are there which also makes lots of noise. Certain constructions activities like making roads, flyover, building, they also causes lot of disturbance to the people of that area. JCB are used to drill and other construction work which makes lots of noise. Movement of vehicles like cars, buses, trains and aeroplanes during landing and takeoff produces disturbing noise. Excessive honking from vehicle also causes noise pollution. India is country of festival and busting cracker in festival that is very common. In marriage functions, we burst crackers. In India, if we win cricket match, we burst crackers. Loud noise produced by bursting crackers also causes noise pollution. It is not only creating noise pollution but also the reason of air pollution as well. Use of loudspeaker, listening loud music and noise created by the use of electrical appliances at home also add to noise pollution. We have seen few reasons of noise pollution. There are many others also. Let's see the harmful effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution has harmful effect on the physical and mental health of living organisms. Let's see harmful effects of noise pollution. First, using headphones at all the times damages our hearing ability. So we must avoid it. Watching TV at high volume might damages our ears. It might disturb the neighbors. People cannot talk to each other during loud noise. It causes disturbance. Constant loud noise leads to lack of sleep. This makes a person tired and restless. It gives rise to health problems like headache, irritation, hypertension, and stress. Concentration level of the people decreases, which has bad effects on the work they do. Teacher asks you to maintain silence in the class. Do you think is the reason behind this? What is the reason behind this? Many students talk together, thus create noise, which can cause disturbance to the student, those they are studying, and it affects their concentration power. To reduce noise and it affects the concentration power, teacher tells you to maintain the silence. Sounds of crackers causes disturbance to the old and sick people. Not only human beings but our pets also afraid of loud sound of firecrackers. So we should avoid bursting crackers. There are other ways also to celebrate an event. Noise pollution can cause temporary or permanent deafness. It is not a small issue. We must think about it and try to control the noise pollution. Let's see the ways to reduce the noise pollution. Use of public transport and carpools should be encouraged to reduce the vehicular movement on road. It will reduce the noise produced due to honking. It will also control the air pollution. Honking should be consciously avoided, especially near the schools, hospitals, and residential areas. Vehicles, machines, and appliances at home should be regularly checked and maintained well to reduce noise. At our home also we have so many machines like washing machines, mixture grinder. They should be also maintained regularly so that it will reduce the noise. Industries, airport, railway stations should be constructed away from the residential area. Busting of firecrackers should be avoided as much as possible. Use of loudspeakers should be avoided, especially at night. Avoid listening to loud music or watching television on high volume. Using carpets and curtains at home helps in absorbing noise from outside. Very important point. Planting more trees helps in reducing noise pollution as the trees and plants they absorb noise from the surroundings. And we should avoid being in a noisy place for too long. So today we have learned about warning sounds, noise pollution, causes of noise pollution, harmful effects of noise pollution, and ways to reduce noise pollution. See student, in your textbook it is given in short, but for your knowledge purpose only I have shared some extra points with you. Read the textbook for twice and thrice. You will be able to understand the chapter. The chapter is very easy. There is a project on page number 95. This is question number 7. Question is like this. Ravi's grandpa could not sleep as noises from the neighborhood disturbed his sleep and made him angry. Think of all the noises that stopped him from falling asleep. Write any 6 reasons or noises because of that he could not sleep. So you have to imagine the different situations of the noises. Those noises disturb his grandpa and because of that he could not sleep. There may be many reasons like the neighbor, they were partying late night, so they were making noise, or they were watching television on high volume. Different reasons can be there. You have to write any 6 reasons. Children, the chapter is very easy. Read the chapter. You'll understand it. For today, this much only. Thank you.